How to activate Chime Card without app. Activating a Chime Card is typically done through the Chime mobile banking app. However, if you prefer not to use the app, you may contact Chime customer support for assistance. Call customer support using the phone number provided on the Chime website or on the back of your Chime card. When you reach customer support, be prepared to provide information to verify your identity. This may include personal details associated with your Chime account. Clearly state that you need assistance with activating your Chime card. The representative should guide you through the process. Once the activation process is completed, confirm with the customer support representative that your Chime card is now activated. Hope you understood the topic. Thanks for watching the video.